Hello, hello. If you own your own business or you're managing a company and you need to track your employees' paid time off, this spreadsheet will help you out. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel, and I'll show you how it works. So first here at the top, you can put the name of your company if you'd like, and then you can put your employee's name. So we'll just put the first and last name of the employee and say at the beginning of the year, they are given 10 vacation days and 5 sick days. So here are the start and end dates. This is the dates that you're going to put in what days they're taking off. So say they're taking off the 5th to the 8th. So it will calculate for you that they're taking 3 days out. So here we're going to need to put what is the reason. So if they're going to take a vacation day, then you can choose that, and then it will subtract the number of vacation days minus the days out, and it'll give you the number of vacation days they have left and the number of sick days they have left. You can put notes here, the person does this all the time, that they're late all the time, or this was approved or not approved. So we'll just put in approved to make it easy. Now, if they come in a second time and they want to book another vacation day, what we will want to do is put their first and last name. We're going to start with the number of vacation days they started with at the beginning of the year and say they're going to come back on the 9th and they're going to be out one more day. And then we're going to choose a vacation again. It will automatically subtract from this whole list, and they'll find the name. So the name has to be perfectly in there, exactly right. It will find out that, okay, this person has taken 4 vacation days and they have 6 vacation days remaining. If we come in and we are going to choose a different thing, so say the same person is going to come in and they started with 10 vacation days, they started with 5 sick days, and then they're going to come in on the 11th. And they're going to be, say they're going to be sick that day. So sick, it is going to subtract from the number of sick days they have remaining. So that way you can keep track of your staff and how many days they have taken for vacation days and how many days they've taken for sick days. If they have chosen anything like, this is just a personal day, then it's not going to take from their sick days or vacation days. Or if you want to say unapproved, that way you can keep track of, did not call. That way you can keep track of the times that your staff does not call or show. So if you have any more questions about that, let me know. I'm at savvyandthriving.com, and I hope this sheet helps you. I have lots of other HR sheets. I'm getting a bundle together to help you to organize your staff. So hope you have a great day, and thanks. Bye-bye.